In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create submenus in your navigation. So we have all our menu items in our navigation bar here. Maybe I think there's too many items. I want to consolidate it down a little bit. I'm going to make a sub drop-down menu under the About Us. I'm going to have the About, the Directions, and the Contact pages. So I'm going to go up to Menu Manager. And I'm just going to create a new item. I'm just going to call it About. And I'm going to want to link that to a null link, which means it's not going to open any page. I'm just going to do external website, and I'm going to put 2 hash marks here. And that means clicking on that link isn't going to do anything. I'm just going to add that. And now this About is going to be the main item in our menu. And we're going to take Contact, Directions, and About Us. And we're going to make it as a drop down under the About. So I'm going to drag this About Us. And I'm going to put it under the About and over to the right here. So you can see there's a little line on the left, and it's going to be an indent under the About. I'm going to do the same with Contact Us. I'm going to make sure I have it over to the right in the Directions. And have it here over to the right. And now I'm going to apply changes. Now you can see I've got my About with a little arrow here. And if I save, and then publish these changes, we'll see how it works in the menu. So now if I go over the About and I click on that, it's going to bring up this sub-menu drop-down, and I have the About Us, the Contact Us, and the Directions pages. And I can just click on any of those. And that's how the sub-menus work. That's all for this tutorial.